In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create action items with ClickUp AI. ClickUp is a powerful all-in-one productivity and project management tool, and its AI feature can help streamline your workflow by turning your notes and ideas into clear, actionable tasks. Whether you're managing a team or organizing your personal projects, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of creating action items with the help of ClickUp AI. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to sign into your ClickUp workspace. If you're new to ClickUp, you can find a link in the description below to create your account and follow along. Once you're signed in, open the specific task, document, or notes page where you've stored your ideas, meeting notes, or project details. This is where the magic will happen. Now look for the AI icon in the toolbar of the editor. It's usually easy to spot, but if you're unsure, it's located right in the text editing toolbar. Once you've found it, click on the AI icon. A menu will pop up, and here, you can either select the Create Action Items option directly or type a prompt like Generate Action Items from this text. Both methods will get the job done, so choose whichever feels most intuitive for you. Next, you'll need to provide the AI with the information it needs to work with. Either paste in your existing notes, write out a quick project summary, or include key discussion points from a recent meeting. The more relevant and detailed your input, the better the AI will perform. For the best results, make sure to include any priorities, rough deadlines, the names of people responsible for tasks, and any decisions or blockers related to your project. This extra context will help ClickUp AI generate more accurate and useful action items. Once you've entered your input, ClickUp AI will process the information and generate a list of suggested action items. Take a moment to carefully review these suggestions. It's important to ensure that everything aligns with your goals and priorities. If you spot any off-topic items, remove them. If there are duplicates, merge them into one clear task. And if any of the tasks feel too broad or too narrow, adjust the scope to make them more actionable. After refining the list, you can insert the finalized action items into your task document or directly into your work management list. This ensures everything is organized and ready to go. From here, assign each action item to the appropriate team member. Be sure to set due dates so everyone knows exactly when their tasks need to be completed. If your workspace uses features like priorities or custom fields, don't forget to add those as well. These extra details make it easier to track progress and manage workloads effectively. Finally, take a moment to refine the wording of each action item. Make sure everything is clear, concise, and free of ambiguity. Add any missing deadlines, dependencies, or links to related tasks or documents to provide full context. And that's it. You've successfully created actionable tasks using ClickUp AI. This workflow not only saves time, but also ensures your project stays organized and on track. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.